What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're going to be recreating Lagoona Blue from Monster High. I know that this video is coming on a little bit late. I had wanted to film it a lot earlier, but just I got sick during this month, then there's like a bunch of other stuff came up, so yeah. So I apologize for the lateness. But I'm excited. I already had sketched up an idea for today's look. I'll put it up here on the screen. I kind of wanted to incorporate, well, obviously like recreate like her original style, but also like incorporate like fins, just like in her new doll. Just incorporating, kind of just like mixing the two a little bit, but we're just basically remixing the first gen Lagoona. I already applied face primer onto my face, so I'm pretty much ready to go. We're going to be painting my face blue. So I have this Mayron Paradise Makeup AQ color palette. Obviously we're going to be diving into the blue. I'm going to be mixing it with this LA Girl foundation mixer. It's just like a white foundation. I'm going to be mixing it in with that. I'm going to be activating it with some water and mixing it onto my hand and then applying it onto my face using a beauty sponge. Next I'm applying some powder onto my face. I'm using this Sunset Makeup white face powder and applying that all over my face. Okay, so next we're diving into the Norvina Volume 5 palette. I'm applying the shade B3 and I'm applying it all over my eyelid and also underneath my eyes as well, kind of smoking it out. Next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards eyeshadow palette. I'm diving into the shade Believe, which is like a bright vibrant purple. And basically I'm applying it along the crease and close to my waterline just to darken things up, and then be smoking out a little bit. Okay, next I'm applying some glitter onto the center of my crease. This is like a blue glitter I have from Glamour Glitter in the shade Teal. You can use whatever blue glitter you have laying around, or eyeshadow as well, some shimmery eyeshadow. I also have this one as well, but I don't think I'll be using it just because I like the shade of this one better. I feel like it suits Lagoona way more. So yeah, I'm applying some glitter adhesive to my eye, and then of course dabbing this on. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, by the way. Okay, so I'm not sure how I like the glitter by itself. I should have put a base layer or something on it first, but on this side I'm actually gonna try it out. I'm gonna be using the KVD Beauty Everlasting Glimmer Belt in the shade Star Flare. I was actually planning on using this on my eye and I just completely forgot about it until like right now. So we're gonna be applying onto this eye. I kind of put some on here, but I just like the way it shines. It looks really cool. I'm applying this and probably adding some blue glitter on top. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Norvina palette again. I'm going to be diving into shade A4, and actually we're going to be creating some freckles. I'm using a really thin brush. This one is a Swish brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to be creating freckles all across my face, all across my nose. Probably have some going up onto my forehead a little bit as well. Okay, so next I'm doing my brows. I'm actually diving into the Alyssa Edwards palette again, and we're diving into the shade Back Rolls. It's just a brown eyeshadow. You can use whatever brow eye palette you have. Okay, so next I'm applying some eyeliner onto my waterline and mascara onto my eyelashes off camera, and I'll be right to you guys. Here's my dog Pepito. You guys will probably hear him coughing in the background. He has really bad asthma. And he's really old, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the Slime Crime Diamond Crusher. I'm not sure if it's a lipstick or what. It was like liquid back then when I first got it. But it's kind of dry. So it's basically just glitter now. So yeah, so I'm basically applying this onto like my cheekbones for like a highlight. So I'm dabbing onto my finger and dabbing onto my face. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Lagoona palette into the shade B1. I'm applying it onto the inner corners of my eyes to give it a highlight. Okay, so I painted like my hands off camera, my arms a little bit. I don't know if I'm even doing the palms yet. I'm just keeping them clean for now just so I can like handle things, but yeah. I don't think it really matters too much though. Okay, so next I'm lining my lips using KVD Vegan Beauty's Sinner Liquid Lipstick. This is like a dark purple liquid lipstick. I'm lining them and of course probably blending it up into my lip. Adding some pink lip liner onto my lip. I'm basically going to be applying it to the negative space I left in the center of my lip. This is a lip liner from Ulta in the shade Rustic. Okay, so next I'm applying this lip gloss. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Parfait. I'm applying this onto my lips. This Slime Crime Diamond Crusher in the shade Acid Fairy on top of my lips. I want my lips to be really sparkly and pink. I wish I had like a hot pink lip gloss, but I don't have it on me. Like I know I have one, but I think I just don't have it with me. Some contour. I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette again, and I'm diving into the shade Dream It, which is the bright blue. So I want the contour to match the shade of my fins, just because like I did this part dark and I just want it to look like it's going to be blending into my skin. So yeah. my forehead, so I'm using like a pair of fishnet tights I have. These are like the small fishnets, not like the huge ones. And I'm just gonna, I guess, put this up on my head and hope for the best. I kind of want to do like a triangle shape though, so I'm gonna be like focusing the shadow in the triangle. I look silly right now, I know, but you know, you just gotta trust the process. So I'm actually gonna be using an eyeshadow from Baby Bat Beauty. This is a blue shimmery eyeshadow in the shade Ether, and it's really cute. It has like a little bat embossed in the center of it. That's what I really like about their eyeshadows. I do have a discount code with Baby Bat Beauty. It is Denise_Draven, and you get, I believe it's 20 or 25% off your purchase, which is a pretty good deal. But I'm using this blue shimmery eyeshadow to make some scales. Okay, so next I'm applying some lashes off camera. This is in the style Fabulash. I don't remember what brand it's from. I had one giveaway like 2 years ago, but yeah, they're like really huge dramatic lashes. I wish I can remember what brand this was, honestly, but oh well. Okay, so next I have these little stick-on pearls, and I was gonna get 2 of them and make like little eyebrow piercings with them. I thought that would be really cute. I'm gonna be applying some eyelash glue on them and applying one to my face. So I forgot to mention, but I added some of this powder. It's probably why I look a little bit more bluish greenish now. But this is Anastasia eyeshadow in the shade Aqua. I kind of just dusted it all over my face, just to give me more of a blue look. I feel like it makes me look more like Lagoona shade now, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, but this is a little single eyeshadow, like one of the eyeshadow singles. Okay, so I'm not done yet. I know it looks like I'm done, like I'm already kind of dressed and have my wig on, but there is still one more thing that we need to apply. And I had made these fins. I know the original Lagoona doesn't have like fins on her face, like on top of her head. But that looks cute actually. It looks a lot more like the original Lagoona actually. Tempted to just safety pin these to my hoodie then. I actually wanted to glue these onto my face to cover up my ears. Kind of like a mashup of like the original and like the new generation Lagoona, because she does have like the fins on her ears instead of like being up here. Although this looks a lot more like the original Lagoona, which I'm kind of actually in love with now. This is my recreation of Lagoona, so I guess I'm gonna stick with it. I'm using just eyelash glue to glue these on. I'm applying it directly onto the fins itself. Liquid latex will probably work a lot better. I mean, this eyelash glue that I have is House of Lashes glue. It works really well, so I'm not mad about it. But liquid latex, if you guys have that laying around, then totally use that. Yeah, those are the ear fins. Oh man, I can't even hear. Like, these are blocking my hearing and the wig. Oh my god, this feels so weird. But yeah, I think they came out really cute. I will have a separate tutorial on how I made these. It'll probably be uploaded later this week after I post this video. But yeah, they're pretty easy to make. I just had to use some supplies I had laying around at home, nothing too crazy. But yeah, also I did like little piercings to them. Like I had like some earrings. I made like a little fish hook, and of course you'll see me make the little fish hook in the video. Also added like a little pearl earring, and of course my little starfish earring, super cute. And then I think I have like, yeah, so I have like little O-rings up here as well. I want this Lagoona to be a little edgy. I'll be adding some blue eyeshadow on the edges of the fin just to make it blend in a little bit more with my contour. Okay, so here is the finished look. So I ended up painting my hands, and I did wet hands on one hand. Basically, I mean, there's like better ways I can probably do it. You can probably do the same method as I made the fins. with the glue or like liquid latex, but I just used toilet paper just for like a quick fix, and eyelash glue, and then eyeshadow to paint it, I guess. So yeah, that was just a really quick, easy way just to do like hand fins. Yeah, this could honestly probably tear really easily. Obviously, it's toilet paper. But I mean, it does a job, it looks cool, I like it. So yeah, so that's it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I had a ton of fun recreating Lagoona. Kind of mashed the two versions together, G1 and G3. And I got this. I'll have like outfit details on my Monster High lookbook. But this swimsuit I basically got from Shein. But it was a size extra large, and that was the only size they had left. So I bought it. I like bit the bullet. I was like, screw it. I have time to like sew it and everything. I basically resized it and re-sewed it. So it fits me now, tight as a glove. The sleeves are very tight fitting, but honestly I love it. I like it when the sleeves are very tight. And also with scrap fabric I made a hood, a little hoodie, because she wears a hoodie with her original look. Little bean one, drop in and say hi. But yeah, I'll have the fin tutorial. But yeah, I'll have the ear fins up on my channel probably later this week. But yeah, if you guys missed it, make sure you do check out my Draculaura and Frankie Stein makeup tutorials. I have them on my channel. I definitely do want to recreate some more Monster High characters in the future. Maybe for next year, maybe throughout the year. We'll see. There is some more makeup tutorials I want to do. I think it's due in time for Halloween. I mean, this one's obviously late. Also, happy late Halloween. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get this video up today on Halloween because it's Halloween now. So yeah, so it's gonna be a late Halloween makeup tutorial. But I will have a bunch of really cool spooky stuff coming up as well. We keep it spooky here all year round, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also let me know down below in the comments which Monster High character is your favorite. So yeah, so that's it for today's look. So I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky Halloween. Bye guys!